Are you tired of dealing with cracked and uneven warehouse floors that disrupt your daily operations? Introducing our premium warehouse concrete flooring services. Designed specifically for businesses like yours, we long-lasting, durable solutions that withstand the pressures of industrial use. Our team of experts in transforming your warehouse, ensuring a smooth, safe and efficient workspace for your employees and equipment. Imagine a warehouse concrete flooring solution that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your warehouse but also improves safety and productivity. With our advanced concrete flooring technology, you can eliminate tripping hazards and reduce maintenance costs, all while enjoying a surface that's easy to clean and maintain. We understand that every warehouse has unique needs, which is why our services are fully customized to fit your specific requirements. From heavy-duty coatings to specialized finishes, we ensure that your flooring is perfectly tailored to meet the demands of your operation. Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.